Brazil gi Rio de Janeiro da CHATHARIBA G20 Summit ta climate activist LICYPRIYA KANGUJAM na Kuki Shing Asi Angang Phaoba Hatpa Ngamba international terrorist ni Haina MALEM gi LUCHINGBA singda Khang-Hankhre Brazil gi Rio de Janeiro da hojik CHATHARIBA G20 Summit ta MALEM gi maming leirabi climate activist LICYPRIYA KANGUJAM ngasi wangangkhe Summit aduda mahakna Kuki Shing Asi Angang Phaoba Hatpa Ngamba international terrorist sing ni Haina MALEM gi LUCHINGBA singda akanba wafam thambaga loinana hai jiribamdagi imung amagi pikliba angang ahum yauna nupi ahum tamthina ot naiduna hatkiba amadi ahal ani hingna mai thakiba thodok adu malemgi miyamna condemn tawfam thoi pikliba angang sing hatpa haibasi international law gi matung inna war crime ni thawong asi United Nations na yade khutlai paidaba mara lejadaba micham nupi angang sing rape tawra ba matung tamthina hatpa haibasi sanga na chatkadaba yamna tukachaba thawong ni Manipur da thokliba irang asi Anauba climate war amani lan asi mahausa lairimbi nushiba kangbu ga mahausa lairimbi nushidaba kangbu ga gi marakta thokpa lan ni haina su mahakna phongdokhe summit aduda mahakna makhata na hai malem gi lairaba leibak singda athuba matamda climate justice piyu climate kamari leinaba education mapong fana malem gi leibak singi school singda tamba phanghallu grassroots level dagi haurabadi climate change asi mai pakna thengnaba ngamgani deforestation asi international crime amani haina LUCIPRIYA na malem gi LUCHINGBA singi pukning chingsinke mahakna summit asida maitai singi justice pami amadi justice for Manipur haiba kholaw kaya amsu lawki
A new climate war has started. You see, in my community Manipur, we're facing a communal violence between the two tribal communities, Meiteis and Kukis. I am very disappointed to share news to all of you that in my birthplace Manipur, an entire family of 10, including 3 minor children and 2 men, were kidnapped as hostages and killed by the Kuki narco-terrorists in the climate war going on in the Manipur. So these people were held hostages, and the 2 men, they were burned alive. And the children, the minor children, those 2 women, they were all found dead yesterday floating in the river. The child's head, the woman's head, they were all raped, they were all brutally tortured, they were brutally murdered, and their heads were smashed by bricks. So what I would like to say is that justice for Meitei, justice for Manipur, no more deforestation. I would like to say to all the G20 nations to make deforestation as an international crime.